Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill here with your May 2020 Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month. It includes 2 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You'll also receive a recipe card for 2 double-page layouts, one for each one of the collections, and it'll have cutting and assembly instructions so you'll be ready to create. This is a perfect way to get a little bit of new product coming in each and every month. And if you want more product, then check out our flavors of the month, which includes 4 new collections. So this month we have Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Garden District, and from Photo Play Paper, Camp Happy Bear. These are 2 gorgeous collections. Well, this one's gorgeous with all the florals, and this is just downright cute. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these because I know you're going to be so excited to work with them. First up, Camp Happy Bear from Photo Play Paper is this fun, whimsical outdoor collection. Of course, you can do so much more than just the outdoors, but if you're like my family, we are looking for ways to get out and just have a little bit of fun. So whether you're just out cooking some s'mores out in the backyard, or you're actually getting to go camping or hiking, or just getting outside and playing, then this is a perfect collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock, 1 sheet of avocado, and your pattern paper is this one called Forest Friends, which has the little raccoons, the owls, the squirrel, a moose, the deer. They're just so cute. And the back is that gorgeous avocado green polka dot. We have this one called Wildflowers, which is on that dark navy blue. It has a rusty red and yellow flower with a little hint of turquoise. Super cute. So you can see here the B-sides are completely generic, so you can scrapbook anything that you want. The back is this awesome red and black buffalo check plaid. This one called Explore is a plaid in the greens and the yellow. The back is the cut apart sheet, so we have some 3x4s and 4x6s. These are great on layouts or your pocket pages. You could also make up a couple of little cards to send to friends and family. Fussy cut some of these out for extra embellishments or your titles, journaling spots, so many things that you can do with those. So one more look at the patterned paper. And for your embellishments, you're going to receive the 12x12 sticker sheet. So these are always fun because they have so much on here that you can embellish with. So we have this long border strip here, which is the red and black plaid. We have some large titles, and the word stickers, word labels, and then all of these cute little icons. So if you have any time down at the lake, fishing, just out hiking and looking at the wildlife and the flowers, just a super adorable collection. So that is Camp Happy Bear from Photo Play. Next, from Simple Stories, we have the Simple Vintage Garden District. This is absolutely stunning with its vintage florals and this antique distressed feel. Just another stunning collection from Simple Stories. So we're going to start with 1 sheet of Lagoon cardstock, 2 sheets of white. The pattern paper is this fun one that's great for the opening of an album. You could do as a title page, or just put some photos here with a little bit of tucking in behind it with some embellishments. Put a title on there and then put your journaling in, and that page is done. I love these papers like this. So this paper's called I Love More. The back is this gorgeous little floral and butterfly on this peachy orange background. It has some script writing in it as well. It's just beautiful. This paper, You Can Fly, which has the vintage kind of newsprint with some distressing with paint, and then these beautiful florals and butterfly. This is another one that's great as a background paper. You just really don't have to do much with these. You can also fussy cut this little bit here and put it on another page, and fussy cut the butterfly, and then use these as little tuck-in pieces behind photos. So many ways you can use that paper. The back are all these gorgeous kind of watercolor butterflies on a pink background. Another gorgeous floral print on this turquoise background, and again have little hints of that text in the background. This one's called Celebrate Today, and the back is this pink and white plaid. It's just beautiful. So you can see, even if you have a hard time with some of the bigger prints like this, the backs are all these gorgeous small prints. Beautiful. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 6x12 sticker sheet. So we have this piece here. That's another, it's a great little piece to kind of tuck behind your photo. So it kind of does all the embellishments for you. It's already all layered up. We have flowers and butterflies to tuck in, a little bird, and then some small little hearts and postage stamps. This Love This would be a great title and beauty. So everything you need to create some beautiful layouts. So that is Simple Vintage Garden District from Simple Stories. One more look at your double shot kit. Check out all the other available items in the store, and you can have those shipped along with your kits. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.